Welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and cover VeChain. Now, we are already on the daily, and I'm going to go ahead and dive straight into this. So, let's get it. VeChain, not looking good at all. We had a high of 27, and we are currently pulling back 81%. VeChain is definitely one that I'm going to be loading up on. I really like. I think it can survive a bear market. I don't think we're going to have the traditional bear market that we have been after the 2013 and after the 2017 bull runs. What is happening now is we cracked a pretty good support level. We have these previous low. I mean, this has been the low since, all the way back from March of last year. Last year. Broke, and now we came back and retested it. Very light volume on the retest, which is what we would like to see. A lot of volume in this area, a lot of volume, and I can almost make that same thing, that this volume bar had really high volume, low spread, that there's a ton of buying pressure in this zone. Now there's this is a nice demand zone. Let's see if we break this. I think we're gonna come all the way down to 3, not much problem. 3 cents. Come down to 3, not much problem. That's our next support level. This is very, very hefty. And if we see another drop, obviously your dollar cost averaging is gonna be below this low, or you're gonna DCA in this demand zone, maybe buy for the break of the downtrend. You never know what's gonna happen, but I would really be watching out and kind of careful on your position sizing. You have to find out what's the best position sizing. Do I want to enter with 25% here, 75% here, or 25% here, and then another 25 here, and then 50 here? It's all up to you and how your scalability and what your risk tolerance and what your portfolio is like, and how much money you can actually throw into crypto. Let's go ahead and jump to the weekly, see what's going on. This just looks like we had a nice top, a nice double top here, pulled back. There's nothing crazy about it. Again, the crypto market needed to pull back. If we look in the grand scheme of things, this is not a lot of volume, barely any volume. I want to see that we have 2 days left. If we can, this is decreasing volume on a doji. So I do think this is going to be we're going to have another potential downtrend before we actually pump. I think we're going to have another, I don't think we're going to dump hard. It really depends on what Russia does with Ukraine and how the US gets involved. But the volume's not there to continue going down. Yes, we might. The market takes time to roll over, time to roll up. I do think this demand zone, break this demand zone, we're coming down to around 3.6 cents, which is, that's a great, if you can get in VeChain at 3 cents, that would be ideal. Again, increasing volume to the downside here. We have 3 days left. We did break that previous low. We're coming back. We did come back and retest it on this candle, but I would expect us, if we close below this low, to pull back maybe to around 3 and have a retest back up to 5 to 6. Probably see this downtrend that I have on VeChain. I usually don't like trading these downtrends that are really steep like this, because it's very strong selling pressure, and usually buyers have a hard time pushing it up and getting that volatile move. Ideally, I would like to see a downtrend that's somewhere from here, from here to like here, ideally, to really take it. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's pretty short. If you guys have any questions on what I do, again, I'm really a simple trader. Don't really look at too many indicators, just demand zones, support, resistance, price action, volume, price analysis. So if you want to learn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I'll be posting a lot of technical analysis videos on crypto. I might throw in some stocks in there, the SPY every once in a while, but I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.